Are you looking for guidance to help you start and build a successful online business? Or perhaps you're interested in generating passive income? Give me the next 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can gain access to this program that is changing lives globally. Let me introduce to you the Legacy Builders Program, a program that is crafted for anyone aiming to start an online business or even create a passive income. Whether you're new or you have some experience in running online business, you've been an affiliate marketer before, or you're basically new and you don't have any tech knowledge, this program will teach you everything you need to know how to start and run a successful recurring income business. So, what is Legacy Builders Program? This program is made by a lady called Michelle O'Neill. I hope I pronounced it right. So it's a program that teaches business owners or people who want to get started how to create a digital product. We all know that digital product is the easiest and the fastest way to build an online business, whether it's coaching, whether it's creating a course, whether it's selling templates, whether it's selling or creating ebooks and selling them online. All that and more ranges within the digital marketing or the digital products. And of course, there are step-by-step guides that you need to follow, and that includes researching on the best niche, coming up with the content and everything in between, just to help you create an evergreen program that will give you recurring income. And once you create that product, you need to have a system in place, a system that will help you market. With this, I mean building an email list. You don't want to be showing up every day online, talking to people, advertising without creating an email list. And the beauty about creating an email list is that you can always create multiple income streams with the same email list. And you can nurture people from your email list until they eventually become buyers. So in this program, you will learn how to create an email list that will give you recurring income, whether from the same product that you're selling or any other product that you own, or a product that you want to become an affiliate to and market to the same affiliates, to the same people. You will also learn how to market, the strategies that you need to use to market your business. And you can do this without showing your face or even showing your face. So I personally recommend that you get started at least with one social media platform. You can choose to go for Instagram or TikTok. Those are the main ones, or even Pinterest. Choose one, and once you start getting customers, you can now again start to use other channels. Apart from learning how to create and run your own digital product business, you also get the opportunity to sell this program to other people at 100% profit keep. So you can help other people who want to launch their businesses, or people are looking for passive income to create an income out of this program. So you will become an owner of this program. You will join a community that will encourage you and give you tips of growth, how to run your own business, or even resell this particular program. And as you can see here, these are testimonials of people who are already winning. They are making anything from $100 to thousands of dollars daily. Again, I don't want to hype this. Of course, we know that for people to knock at your door, show up in your business, you also have to work hard. You need to go out there, tell people about this business, tell people about your business, so that you can nurture them and they become your customers. Let me show you the options that we have for you to join this program. So you can join in by starting off with the lowest package. You can come in and learn from $100 USD. This is a one-off payment. You'll never have to pay again. And then, so with this, you're able to get learn how to automate your business. That will do the explaining and sharing for you. You'll also get access to and learn how to do ads, free ads. These are the copy and paste, or rather know how to the strategies that you need to use in the social media platforms that I mentioned. You also get a package. You can also choose to go with a $300 package where you get to learn more about how to copy and paste proven ads to high traffic websites, designed to guide you through the foundation of building a passive income. And then again, you can choose to go for the digital mastery. You will not only learn how to make six-figure in 6 months, you will learn how to build a recurring income stream that will create results with affiliate marketing. You will notice that once you come in at $100 package and you choose to resell this program, you will resell and be making $100 for every person who signs up under you. For the $300 package, you will be able to earn anyone who comes in under you and pay $300 and also pays $100. So you earn from these two. For the 600, you will learn, you'll be able to keep 100 USD, $300, and the $600 package. Anyone who comes in under you, anyone that you refer to this program and they choose any of this package, you get to keep any of that amount. Of course, there's a higher package, which is you get to benefit from all the other levels. This is at $900. And you get to earn from all the bundles. And of course, this one comes packed with a lot of training. So this is the one I would recommend if you are new, you're getting started, and you want to take all the advantage. Anyone who comes in at any bundle, any referral that you bring in, and they choose any bundle, you get to keep 100% of their money. Okay, so that was a brief about the Legacy Builders program. It's a program that will teach you all this digital growth community. You get to learn about Canva. You get the blueprint that will help you create a lot of money in months, and a 30-day market strategy growth. And all these bonuses are included. Okay, so at the description, I'm going to leave a link that I would want you to go in there and get to learn more about this program. There's a video that you will watch that will take you through this program, and I hope to see you in the inside where you can create and grow your online business.